Okay, folks, here are Wheezey and Max puppies, 2 weeks old. They are starting to get their eyes open a little bit, but they're all in the sleepies right now, so I had to stir them up. Go in, Wheezey. Go in there. Go ahead, Wheezey. Come on, girl. Come on, Wheezey. Wheezey, girl. Come here. Get in there. Good girl, Wheezey. I'm gonna stir them up a little bit, girl. You got them feeling so good, all they want to do is sleep. All they want to do is sleep, don't they, girl? Oh, we got a couple moving there. Get down. Get down. There's 6 boys still available in this batch. 1 boy and the only girl have been spoken for already. What are y'all doing? Y'all just gonna lay there and sleep? So our bellies are full. See my eyes? Yeah. Oh, good stretching over there, ain't it, puppies? Good stretching. Wake up, puppies. Wake up, everybody. Oh, my goodness. See my eyeballs? You're wiggling too much. Ooh. Y'all wiggly this morning. Easy, good girl. Ain't you easy, girl? Yes, but you're. Stop. Easy. What are you doing, Wheezey? Wheezey! Get in there with him. No, get in there with him. Good girl, Wheezey. Say, we're waking now. Say, that mama come in here. Say, that mama come in here done woke us up. Here they go. Girl, they on you like a duck on a June bug, ain't they? That go Wheezey, girl. These puppies is about tripled in size. There's 6 boys still available. They're all black and tan. Every single one of them.